Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy, where we teach the world to paint. In this video, we will explore the world of acrylic mediums and how they can enhance your acrylic paintings. Acrylic mediums are additives that can be mixed with acrylic paint to alter its properties. There are several types of acrylic mediums, each with its own unique characteristics. The first type of acrylic medium is the gloss medium. This medium adds a glossy finish to your paint, giving it a shiny and reflective surface. It can be used to create a smooth and glass-like effect, perfect for creating highlights or adding a touch of realism to your artwork. Next, we have the matte medium. This medium, as the name suggests, creates a matte or non-reflective finish. It is great for creating a flat and velvety texture, ideal for backgrounds or areas where you want to reduce glare. In the fascinating realm of acrylic mediums, a standout option is the texture paste. This tool allows artists to infuse their pieces with a unique touch of texture and dimension. It can be employed to create raised surfaces, add texture to organic elements like tree barks or rocks, or even devise intricate patterns. A similar medium worth exploring is the impasto medium. This product is perfect for artists aiming to create thick, textured strokes reminiscent of oil painting, adding a different level of depth and complexity to their work. Also, for those who wish to perfect their color blending techniques and craft smooth transitions, the slow-dry medium is a valuable resource. This medium decelerates the drying process of acrylic paint, granting artists the luxury of more time to blend colors and finesse their designs. Not only does it aid in the creation of beautiful gradient effects, but it also offers a greater degree of control over the painting process. Lastly, we have the pouring medium. This medium is specifically designed for creating fluid art or acrylic pouring. It helps to create a smooth and even flow of paint, allowing you to create mesmerizing patterns and abstract designs. Now that you know about the different types of acrylic mediums, let's see how they are used in practice. Imagine you are painting a landscape. You can use the gloss medium to add a glossy finish to the water, making it look more realistic and reflective. The matte medium can be used for the sky, creating a soft and velvety texture. The texture paste can be applied to create the texture of tree barks or rocks, adding depth and interest to your painting. Acrylic mediums are versatile tools that can take your acrylic paintings to the next level. Experiment with different mediums and see how they can transform your artwork. Thank you for watching this video on acrylic mediums. If you want to learn more about painting with acrylics, don't forget to enroll in our free guided painting courses at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses.